mar Alice. Kwa kaunti obila ma Nairobi ne ondhiyo maromo achije 153 ma itudo gi rocho kwee e kinde romo ma nyomaki motisi ni Africa Forward Summit. Jatend obila ma Nairobi Isa Mohamud nolero ni apedha mar obila bende ne ojuko mus $1 gi magina 10 e lwet achije 2 e kar dak ma Kayole. Kata kamano ne olero ni nyogi rido arita e kinde romo no kendo gipuoyo jodak ma Nairobi kuom nyayo kwee.
I want to report that there was no incident during the summit. However, during the course of the operation and securing the international event, we arrested about 153 persons for various offenses, including misconduct, obstruction of police officers in the execution of their duties, unlawful assembly, failure to notify police as required by law, because the summit was taken on 11th and 12th. On 12th May, we recovered a pistol within Kayole area with 10 rounds of 9mm, and 2 suspects were arrested by our officers from Kayole police station and our DCI team together. So this was a targeted operation on motorcycles who do not conform with the rules and who are robbing 1 inch. So further investigation into the same case, we recovered 70 mobile phones from those suspects and 3 motorcycles believed to be proceeds of robbery.